Welcome to Pins and Things! Today I'm going to show you guys this awesome life hack of how to turn vertical blinds into curtains without hurting anything. It's super easy and cheap, but they look awesome! Okay, I am so excited. I have wanted to do this ever since the first day that we moved into this house because I don't like it. This might be hard to show because the lighting is really blown out outside and dark inside. Let me try my hardest to show you the vertical blinds and then we're gonna change them to curtains with this awesome life hack I know. Also, check out my fireplace. I decided to paint it white because it just looks so much better. This whole room just feels so nice to me when it's all clean and beautiful. We have the couch that fits in here perfectly with the white carpet that I feel like helps the fireplace stand out a little bit more too. And then over here we have these vertical blinds. You can see them right here. I'll pull them open. So I've never really liked these in any of the places we've stayed. A lot of rentals that we've been in have had this type and the kids just destroy them. You can already see lots of them are missing. Some of them are broken in half here. They're not very durable when it comes to having kids in this house. So I decided to look up on Pinterest and see what I could find for redoing vertical blinds for cheap and easy. And this is what I came up with. 84-inch sheer panel. Has a little bit of design in it, but I did want it to stay white because I feel like that brings in a lot of diffused light. It even says it on here. So this is the other thing that I bought that you're gonna need. Rings with clips on them, and there's 7 in each pack, and I got 4 packs. I'm not sure if this is the right amount I'm gonna need, but I have more windows that also need curtains, so that's okay if I have some left over. This is what the hardware looks like underneath. I've got Charlie playing in the curtains, proving my point that kids destroy these things. Huh, Charlie? Yep. Cool. So we've got this hardware up here. If you look on this side, push it up. Whoop, or just pull it all out at the same time. So this piece can come off, and that's what we need. We need this little piece because that's what's gonna hook up our curtain. Because it's out, it's easy to just push the whole thing back in, but while it's out, I'm actually gonna take it and show you how to hook up the curtain. Also, I'm gonna get ready and take all of these down. Finally, woohoo! What's cool about the way we're doing this is you can totally do this in a rental if you want to, or if you're in a rental and you can't destroy the curtains. Just make sure to be very careful as you're taking it apart so that you can put it back together when you leave your apartment. Wow, I really picked the perfect one. Look, taped back together down here, and right here it's got a huge crack in it. So we're gonna just pop this little piece off. You can see how it holds itself on there. It kind of hooks in onto itself there. We're gonna just take that little plastic piece off. So you can do this one of 2 ways. You can either leave the little clip in the ring, or you can pop it off. I have another one here. You can see, super easy to clip right back onto the ring if you want to. Either way will work if you want to just use this. However, when you try to pop the ring, the whole ring in, these rings are actually quite thick. Try to just push this ring in here like that, and that will hold it up really well too. And then the ring, if it has the clip on it, then you can just clip your curtain on from there. Or, I think what I'm gonna try is actually just having the piece that's already popped off and just pushing that in, and then it holds it up really nicely from there. And then you can just clip your curtain on right away. So that way you're not gonna see these rings hanging down lower than the hardware on top that covers up these pieces, because this will make the curtain hang down lower. So I'm just gonna take away the ring and use these. I'm so excited I get to take down the vertical blinds! What a mess. Let's clean it up. All right, all cleaned up into one nice pile. So that's easy to tape and just set aside if you're not gonna be using them until you move out of your rental. Or if you just wanna throw them away like me, maybe I'll do that. So I'm making sure to put them up every other one. All right, it's snowing outside and I have done the first half of the curtains here. They are awesome. They look so beautiful. And now I'm gonna show you how I clipped them up on this half. So I have my curtains all unpackaged and I'm gonna put the inside, so this is the inside, towards the outside of the window. I want it to look beautiful in here. I made sure to put a separation here because this is where they pull apart this way. So I actually clipped it all the way to this one, and then it wouldn't open. What I'm doing here is if you look at the bottom, it's barely touching the ground, and that's exactly what I want. And that's with this folded over just like that. So I'm just gonna put it right there like that. While I'm looking at the other curtains, I'm spacing it about the same. So on each curtain piece, I have about 4 clips. When I get to this part where I want to connect another one, I actually just overlap them and then I fold them in half and clip it up. And I think that is really helpful so that there's not a huge gap in between the 2 curtains. Ta-da! So this is the final product. So cheap, easy, and it doesn't hurt anything. So if you're a renter, it's perfect. I'm gonna open them up. Beautiful. So I hope you guys like this awesome life hack, especially if you're a renter. This is very handy to not hurt anything and to be able to put it back just the way it was before. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this awesome life hack. Make sure to subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I've been posting to Instagram a lot lately, so make sure to check it out. Also watch my stories because there's videos there that you aren't gonna see on the beach house or pins and things. It's pretty special. All right, we will see you guys next time.